In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to N8N Easy 2026 Guide. By the end, you'll have the N8N integration installed from the HubSpot marketplace, so you can start automating tasks between HubSpot and N8N with confidence. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct HubSpot account and that you have the permissions needed to install apps. If your company has multiple accounts, double-check the account name in the top navigation so you don't install to the wrong place. Start on your HubSpot homepage. This is your main dashboard, and it's the easiest place to access everything you need. At the top of the screen, look for the Marketplace icon. Depending on your layout or theme, it may look like a small store or a grid. Click that icon to open HubSpot's App Marketplace launcher. From the launcher, choose the HubSpot Marketplace. This takes you into the catalog of vetted apps that connect directly to your portal. The Marketplace is where you'll find integrations that are safe to use and maintained, which is exactly what we want for N8N. Once you're in the Marketplace, use the search bar and type N8N. Keep it simple. Lowercase n, the number 8, then n. If you don't see it right away, clear any category filters and make sure you're searching across all apps rather than just private listings. When the results appear, click on the N8N Cloud listing. This is the official integration that lets HubSpot talk to your N8N instance. Open the listing page and take a moment to review the description, supported features, and any notes about plans or limits. It's always a good practice to confirm that the app matches what your team needs before you proceed. Next, click Install. HubSpot will show a permissions screen outlining what the app can access. Read through these details so you understand how data will flow between HubSpot and N8N. If you have multiple HubSpot accounts, you may be asked to confirm which one you're installing to. Approve the install to continue. If you see a message about restricted access, you'll need an administrator to complete this step for you. After the installation finishes, you'll receive a confirmation in HubSpot. From here, you can manage the integration from your Connected Apps area, and you're ready to start building workflows in N8N that use HubSpot data and triggers. A quick tip: run a small test workflow first to validate that everything is syncing as expected. That's it. Your HubSpot and N8N connection is now set up through the Marketplace. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.